We might as well address the elephant in the room, which is that everything in here is in SI units. So if you wanted to say, look at manifold pressure in PSI, manifold pressure is currently being displayed in kilopascal, which is an absolute measurement. If we wanted to edit that channel and have it displayed in the ECU in a different unit, there's a number of ways we could go about doing that. First of all, we could use the shortcut keys Control and N, which will bring up the properties for inlet manifold pressure, and we can simply change the unit to whatever type of unit we want, be that PSI, inches of mercury, bar, kPa, whatever. The other option we have is to edit all of the channels one at a time in the channel list. And to do that, you go to the Tools menu and Show Data Properties. Now, this should bring up a little listing of all the channels in the ECU, and it has not only their color that they're going to be displayed as, it has the channel type and then the unit and decimal places and so forth. So we could then search for inlet manifold pressure on this list, inlet man press, and inlet manifold pressure here is shown. So there's lots of different channels for inlet manifold pressure, but for example, let's assume we want to change that one. We can get there by double clicking, double left click, or you can go to edit. You're going to see it brings up that same menu. And within that menu, again, you can change the channel unit, you can change the color, the number of decimal places that are displayed, and then you can actually adjust the scaling. If the scaling is out of whack in some of your graphs, you can change that here. Now, the one thing about this is I believe that this only changes on the laptop where you made this channel unit change. In other words, I don't think it actually changes it in the package or the ECU. I think it only works on your laptop. So if someone else connects to it, they're going to see it in the units they want to see it in.